Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. German haute couture designer Karl Lagerfeld, artistic director at Chanel and an icon in the fashion industry with his extravagant outfits and striking catwalks, has died at age 85. His signature ponytail and dark glasses made him an instantly recognizable figure around the world. Lagerfeld was best known for his association with Chanel, but delivered collections for LVMH's Fendi and his own label. Industry heavyweights and celebrities, including Italian designer Donatella Versace and Kim Kardashian, have issued heartfelt tributes. Lagerfeld died this morning after being admitted to hospital. May his soul rest in peace. Grammy Award-winning artist Shaggy joins American Idol. The Jamaican superstar will join the ABC hit show as part of the All-Star Duets round. Shaggy made the announcement over the weekend by posting this video on the American Idol set.
I guess you can guess where I'm at, right? American Idol. I'll be performing with some amazing contestants on the show, so make sure you check it out in March 3rd, and stay tuned later on in the season to catch me, all right? Gotcha.
American Idol will premiere this March on ABC. Shaggy's Idol announcement comes just days after winning the 2019 Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album for his collaborative effort 44876 with rocker Sting. The duo has also announced their UK 44876 tour, scheduled for this May, with stops in London, Newcastle, Birmingham and Manchester. Dancehall artist Governor has kicked off his first ever solo tour. Currently in Europe, the leading dancehall act had its first performance in Berlin, Germany on Valentine's Day. The tour will see the fourth-gen DJ visiting 13 cities and making stops in major cities like Stockholm, Amsterdam, Zurich, Hamburg, Venice, Rome, among others. Still on Governor, the artist recently teamed up with Dre Island on the new track dubbed The Light. The track speaks on the struggles they face and how they overcame them while aiming for greatness. The track is the second song to be featured on his upcoming anthology titled Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. Now, 100-meter sprinter and sub-10 king Asafa Powells and his girlfriend Alicia Miller officially tied the knot on Saturday. Social media went into a frenzy as videos and photos of the ceremony surfaced online. Instagram fans and well-wishers sent congratulatory messages to the newlyweds. The posh ceremony was held at the Rose Hall Great House in Montego Bay with close friends and family members in attendance. Congrats to the happy couple. Put a ring on it. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.